Welcome to Slice and Dice. I'm Sean, and today we're taking you behind the scenes to show you the process that goes into making our delicious hand-tossed pizza.
Hi, I'm Ezekiel. Here at Slice and Dice, we believe in using only the freshest and highest quality ingredients. Our tomatoes are handpicked from local farms, and our cheese is a blend of the finest mozzarella and cheese.
Here at Slice and Dice, we ensure that every ingredient are stored in optimal condition. Quality is our top priority. We take every step to maintain the freshness of our produce.
Cleanliness is next to pizzaness. We take pride in maintaining a spotless kitchen to ensure the safety and health of our customers. Because a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen.
Our cozy place provides the perfect atmosphere for you to enjoy our delicious pizza. Come on in, have a slice, and make yourself feel at home.
Not only do we offer mouth-watering pizza, but we also offer a cozy and fun atmosphere for you to enjoy. Join us for board games and delicious food. Slice and Dice, where pizza meets fun.